Hello everyone. In this lecture, I'm going to quickly show you how you can format a cell, more specifically in with regard to formatting, with regard to very specific options or multiple options at one place. So if you select this E4 cell, then go to alignment and click over here. It will automatically open format cells option. In this, you can see number of tabs, number, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection. In alignment, you can see how you want to align the text inside the box. So whether you want it in horizontal, with regard to horizontal, whether you want it to be general or left indented or center. So I select center, I will click center. Then whether you want it, how do you want it to appear with regard to vertical aspect? Like this is the vertical aspect and this is the horizontal aspect. So if I want vertical bottom align, let us near to this bottom border, I will keep selection to bottom. Then whether I want it to be a wrap text, like I want to wrap the text so that it fits correctly into the box, and or rather the box gets aligned with regard to the contents inside the box. So shrink to fit or merge cells. So merge cells options, we already saw this in the previous lecture. Then we have the orientation. So this is the horizontal orientation. If I want it to be aligned to 45 degrees, then what I did over here is like I left click the mouse, hold it, and then drag the cursor to whatever position I want. So I want it to be aligned to 45 degrees, then I just drag it over here. If I want to make it to a specific degrees, then I just need to enter the number over here using the keyboard. Now I click OK. Uh, you see the country, this is horizontally at the center and it's 45-degree line. Now if I want to redo the lining to 0 degrees, then I will just go to 0 degrees and say OK. So now country is at center and its bottom aligned. And so if you want to see the effect of the vertical alignment, you see it's bottom aligned. If now I want to have it in the center, I change vertical to center and click OK. So for vertically it is also now centrally aligned. So this content is now at exactly at the center of the box area. Next is the font option. In the font option, you see that various types of fonts are available. Currently, it's Calibri body. So if I want to change it to say Forte, it's like the preview of how the font looks like would be here. So let me see whether we can go for Algerian for now. So for Algerian, the preview will be like this. Then whether you want underline or not, we don't want underline. Then what is the type of color of the font you want? Let's keep it black only. And then font style regular, italic, bold, or bold italic. So that we already saw with these options. And what is the size of the font that we want to keep? With effects, we will come back. For now, we just click OK, and you can see that country font is changed back to Algerian. Now if I want to change it back to Calibri, then I just need to press undo and it's back to the original Calibri 11 size. So now let's go again back to font, and I want to do a strike through, like it will just cut it. So this is the preview and it just did a strike through for the country. I don't want to strike through it, then okay, it's not a strike through. Now if oh sorry, you should press OK, and it's back. Now if I want say country and I want to raise it to country square, like something like that, country superscript 2, then I select just 2 over here and then right click it and click format cells, and then I can go to superscript option, select superscript and click OK. It will raise to above the country, so this will become country square. If I want it to be a subscript, that is subscript, and click OK, it will move down to below country and just move out of here. So if I don't want this 2 to appear, I will just click backspace, enter. So this is about font. So we have covered most of the font options. Then border, so border we can select it like this over here itself, that is none, outline. So these options are all available over here, and the same options are available over here. So line options, we can select line to be continuous, we can select the line to be dashed or broken line, or we can say just none. For now we just keep it as it is, a simple plain line. Next is the fill option. The fill option is the same as the immediate option available over here. If we want to fill background with blue, I just click blue and click OK. It will change to blue background. Again, if I go back and just say fill, we covered fill. Then let's say font back, and font we want to change color, we will make it to white and click OK. It changed to country color to white and background is as blue. Next tab is about protection. So in protection, it's like locked or hidden, how you want the cell to be, whether it's locked or whether it is hidden. So more on this when we get into get ahead in this course. So for now, let's go back to the numbers tab. In the number tab here, you can define what category of data will be involved in this box. So whether it is a general, whether it's a number, the number, what amount of decimal places, like if you have 123.1234.1039, then 1234.10 will only be displayed, 39 will be concatenated, will be destroyed, like it won't be visible even though it's there. And the currency, whether it's what type of currency symbol you want to add, so all these currency symbols are available. Then accounting, then date, with what type of date format, if it is a date format cell you want to enter. And so time, what about the time, how do you want the time display to be there for this box? It's percentage, fraction, scientific, text, special and custom. So let's keep it general for now and click OK. So for now country is general only. Now let's say if I want to add a date column over here, and for date I say say equal to today and just click enter. Okay, today and okay, today, and then braces, and here is the formula today. So today is 20 December 2015, and now I go back to this format cells option and I click number and date. So if I want it to be displayed as how the date should look like, so for now it will be look like as Sunday 20 December 2015. So I click OK. So it changed the format to what I wanted. Again, if I say equal to today and enter, and if I want to do a more formatting around it and say number date again, so how do I want it to look like? So if I want to look like this, then I just click 14 March 2015 20 December 2015 and click OK. So this type of formatting is available in Excel, so you can define how the text or the date entered looks like. So this was a quick snapshot of how you can format a particular cell in Excel. Continue watching the lectures ahead, and you will be working in Excel like a pro. Thanks for watching.